You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 37/9. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 86/9 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 37/9.